Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne guys, first generation 2002 all the way to year 2010. If you're guys trying to find the fuse for the crankcase ventilation heater guys, which is part of the PCB system I think, we'll show you guys where it's located. So if you have problem with your crankcase ventilation heater system, always check that fuse guys. Now, we have guys more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All the tools and parts will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's go ahead and start on it. All our electrical videos guys will be on this channel. The mechanical videos will be on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. So please check them out for your convenience guys. Now, need to open the door. Right here on the side of the dash you have one cover guys. Okay, this cover needs to come out. With a plastic panel removal tool, we need to remove that cover. You have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. And we need to find fuse number 50 guys. 50. So this is the fourth one from right to left on the very bottom. So we're missing the first 3. Okay, check it out. 1, 2, 3. This fuse right here. This is the fuse that we need to replace. So just pull it out, replace it with a new one now. This is guys the fuse for the crankcase ventilation heater, 10 fuse in our case. So if you have an engine light, coat or anything like that that relates to it, please check this fuse out. It might solve your problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and if you have any specific problem, drop a comment below and we'll do our best to make a video for your problem. So see you guys next time.